Former DILG Secretary Rafael Alunan and the Public Attorney's Office Chief Persida Acosta believe drug syndicates and rogue policemen are behind drug-related extrajudicial killings. For the details, here's Ria Fernandez.
President Rodrigo Duterte is impossible to be involved in extrajudicial killings. Former DILG Secretary Rafael Alunan III said this in response to the series of killings on suspected illegal drug users and pushers who allegedly resisted police arrest. By how Alunan have known the president, who served as chairman of Peace and Order Council Region 11 under Ramos administration, he gives first the suspect the chance to surrender.
Ang estilo niya is, nasa order of battle ka, tapos there is a target acquisition. Ikaw nga yun, ang nasa na hinahanap. You will be given a chance to give up. But if you don't give up and you resist arrest, bahala ka na. No? Because we will be constrained to defend ourselves.
Proof of which is when Peter Lim, the alleged big-time drug lord operating in Visayas, showed up to personally clear his name to President Duterte. Last Saturday, the president told Lim to go to NBI to prove his innocence. While DOJ is still verifying Lim's identity, for he has almost 5,000 namesake based on the immigration travel database. Moreover, Alunan said that just like the president, he also thinks that the syndicates or cops who are high on drugs are behind these summary executions to prevent being reported. This is also the belief of Public Attorney's Office Chief Attorney Persida Acosta. According to her, this is their diversionary tactic to distract the momentum of PNP in its campaign against drugs.
Ito po yung senaryo bago pa po makapagsalita sa pulis, itong kanilang mga, kumbaga yung kanilang dinisuplayan, tagatinda nila, ay pinuutas na ang buhay nila Pinapatay na po sila, salvage na. Kaya mapapansin nyo, may takip ang bibig, may takip ang mata. Anong ibig sabihin? What you see, leave it here. Do not talk. Yan ang kanilang language sa pinadadala.
Acosta also defends police shooting of resistant suspects, but she stressed that this should happen only during legitimate operation. Acosta advises the police,
ang tendency ng mga high sa drugs, meron silang either violent tendencies o kaya ay talagang hindi pahuhuli ng buhay at talagang may aggressiveness sila. So kaya ang advice ko sa PNP, extra careful at i-apply yung PNP manual, operations manual.
Ria Fernandez, PTV News.
Hi! Ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.